In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the menu bar on Squarespace. Whether you're setting up your site for the first time or looking to update your current design, organizing your navigation menu is crucial for a user-friendly experience. So let's dive right in. Once you're logged into your Squarespace account, direct your attention to the dashboard. You'll find an option labeled Pages. Go ahead and click on that. This area is your command center for organizing all the pages that make up your website. You'll notice there's a section specifically for navigation. This is where the magic happens. If you want to reorder your navigation items, simply click and hold the page you want to move. It's as easy as dragging it to a new position within that navigation section. Don't worry if you're not happy with your initial choice. You can drag and drop as many times as needed until everything looks just right. This simple action can drastically improve the way visitors interact with your site, as a well-organized menu helps them find what they're looking for quickly and easily. Now, if you're looking to create a more layered or complex menu system, you can create a drop-down menu. To do this, select the page you'd like to place underneath another. Then, drag it slightly to the right beneath the main parent page. You'll see it nestle perfectly under the top-level page, indicating it's now a part of a drop-down menu. This is a great way to categorize information without overwhelming your visitors with too many visible options at once. But what if you decide that a particular page shouldn't appear in the navigation whatsoever? Or maybe you want to keep it linked, but less prominent? The solution is simple. Just drag that page down to the Not Linked section. Although it's no longer visible in your site's main navigation menu, it remains accessible via direct link. This can be ideal for pages that are necessary, but not essential for regular visitors to access through the main navigation bar, such as a thank you page or terms and conditions. Once you've made all your changes, you'll be pleased to know they are reflected immediately on your live site. It's satisfying to see your work updated instantaneously without the need for additional publishing steps. Do make a point of scrolling through your site to ensure everything is functioning smoothly and looks exactly how you envisioned. And there you have it, the basics of how to move your menu bar on Squarespace. A well-structured navigation bar not only looks polished, but also enhances the user experience of your site. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Feel free to explore these tips and tweak your menu to fit your brand and audience perfectly. Until next time.